In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the brand new ZAGG XTR3 tempered glass screen protector for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I'm going to go over the installation, we're going to see how it fits, how it feels, how it works with the in-display fingerprint sensor, and you're going to want to stick around to the end of the video because I will be doing a scratch and a drop test to see how durable the screen protector really is, and I promise you by the end of this video you'll know whether or not the screen protector is right for you. So let's get started. So first off, the screen protector does have blue light filtration, and it also says that it's 10 times stronger. We'll see about that later on in the video. So we get an installation guide, one tempered glass screen protector, and some wipes. So the first thing we need to do is to clean off our screen with the included alcohol wipe. Then dry off the screen. Then take your installation tray, making sure that the top portion here is going towards the camera, and we're going to place our phone inside the tray just like that. Then take your screen protector, making sure that this portion of the sticker is on the underside and the little camera cutout is going towards the camera on your phone. Then you're going to want to place the post on the guide into the holes on the screen protector. Try to make sure that you don't let the screen protector touch the screen on your phone. We'll peel off the protector on the underside just like this. Then place the posts inside the holes of the guide just like that. So as you can see, the screen is not touching the phone yet. Then just press down in the middle of the screen and it should start to adhere. You can kind of help it along with your finger if you want to. Just make it go along a little quicker. Then once that's done, you want to very carefully peel up on this top protective layer. And then you can take your phone out of the guide. And we're all set. So there are some bubbles on the bottom here inside the screen. Wow, there's a lot. So you can see the bubbles on the screen, and there's like these little micro bubbles all over. I don't know if you guys, it's hard to see there. You see all those? See all those little spots underneath the screen are all over. So I'm just going to kind of squeegee those out with my finger. See if we can get those out. And for the most part, I am able to get those out. There's just a couple kind of left on the screen there. All right, so there it is. You can see the rather large cutout on the front of the screen there. There does seem to be a gap all the way around the front of the screen for case compatibility. We'll test that out as well. There's a couple more bubbles on the bottom here. As far as the feel of the screen, feels super smooth, just like the glass that's on the phone. The edges are also rounded off. As far as fingerprint rejection, does seem to do a pretty good job. There's just only slight smudges on the screen, which you can very easily just wipe away. No problems there. So there are just a couple more bubbles on the screen. There's kind of one right there and like a couple down here. It's not horrible, and unless you really look for them, you're probably not going to see them. So it's not that bad. So now let's test out our fingerprints to see if they still work, and they still look like they do. Had a little problem there. Yep. So if you are having problems with your fingerprints, just re-register them and maybe turn up the sensitivity on the screen and you shouldn't have any issues. So it does seem to be working perfectly fine. I'll do it one more time. Yeah. So again, if you're having problems, turn up the sensitivity on your screen and re-register your fingerprints. The screen does look crystal clear, even though the screen did have like a green tinge to it. I don't really notice a color change in the screen here, but people that are very sensitive to that may. But it doesn't really bother me too much. Touch working perfectly fine. Everything's working there. Now let's take a look at the screen as if we were looking at it through polarized sunglasses. And you can see that there is a pretty good rainbow effect. Pretty much no matter where you look at it, you're going to see some sort of color. Maybe if you have it just right, you might not, like there, but if you just twist a little bit, you start to see like some of that rainbow. And then let's put this inside of our case. And it does seem to fit the case perfectly. There's actually still quite a little bit of a gap all the way around the phone still, so this screen protector should be compatible with most cases. Looks really nice. You know, now that I look at this screen with the contrasting red and the white, it kind of does look a little off to me, and that may be because of the green tint on the screen protector. So if you're sensitive to color changes, even slight, I probably wouldn't recommend the screen protector for you. So everything's looking pretty good with this screen protector so far. Now let's move on to the scratch and the drop test. So we're going to start off the test by dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball at a starting height of 2 feet. If the screen protector doesn't crack, we'll move it up foot by foot until it eventually does. So here we go at 2 feet. Moving on to 3 feet. 4 feet. 5 feet. 5 feet. So this screen protector lasted up until a 5-foot drop. Now let's move on to the scratch test. So typically regular tempered glass starts to scratch around a Mohs hardness number 6. So we're going to start off with a number 5. Then we'll move on to a number 6. And then a number 7. So if we take a closer look, you can see there are no scratches at the number 5. There are slight at a number 6 and a little deeper at a number 7. So scratch resistance seems to be pretty standard for tempered glass. So installation for the screen protector was really easy. It also does seem to be case friendly. It lasted up until a 5-foot drop, and scratch resistance seems to be pretty standard for tempered glass. So some of the things I really liked about the screen protector were the installation and the way that it feels. It is super smooth, just like the glass that's on the phone, and I really like the fact that it fits perfectly with my case. The only thing that I really don't like about this screen protector is the fact that it's got this green tint to it. I personally don't really care about the blue light filtration, but if you do, then this screen protector might be for you. And again, if you guys want to pick this up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.